Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful bird painting with alcohol ink and alcohol ink markers. So stay tuned till the end. And these are some safety tips on alcohol ink art. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please make sure to pause the video and read it. And I'm using this gloss ultra premium gloss photo paper from Staples, but you can also make the same painting in synthetic paper like Nara or Yupo, and the blending solution that I use is 91% isopropyl alcohol. So I use this fine line pen, which is also alcohol ink based. So I just draw a quick outline using this thin pen, quick outline of a bird. And then just want to let you know, I use the back side of the photo paper to make the painting because that's where the alcohol ink flow easily, and not the glossy side, because I like this back side better. But you could also try the glossy side if you want to experiment with something, but for some reason I feel this side better. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell icon, because I post videos every day and you will be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. And I really appreciate you subscribing and following my channel. And I use a piece of wax paper on the side to add colors, so I can dip the color from there and add to the paper. So I use the colors Glacier, which is almost like blue, Magenta, which is almost a dark pink color, and let me think. I think I'll use a teal. And I will be also using indigo. Oh, this color is called the teak wood color, so it's a light wood color. And I'm also using another color, indigo. So total the colors I'm using is Glacier, Magenta, teak wood color, Mermaid, and indigo. So if you want to dilute any color, you can use the isopropyl alcohol to mix it and dilute the color. But I use a piece of wax paper just to apply the paint onto the drawing sheet. So now I'm adding indigo on the side. It's almost like purple, mixed of purple and blue. So I add that also. So I keep adding each color onto the bird, and then later on I'll show you how I blend it. So now I'm dipping this wax paper onto the plain solution of isopropyl alcohol, and then I add that isopropyl alcohol to get a pattern on the bird. So just dip it into the isopropyl alcohol and add onto the drawing. So now I'll be using a can of air. You can get it at hardware store. It's basically a can full of air. So if you press it, it gently releases the air, and that's what I'm using to blow the paint. So you add a little drop of paint and then little drop of isopropyl alcohol, and then you can gently blow it with the air blower. So it gives an interesting texture. Now I use the Cali art markers, which are alcohol ink based markers, which I use for fine details. The advantage of these markers is that it blends easily with isopropyl alcohol. So that's why I use this type of markers. And you can add fine details, etc. with these markers.